Janet, can you please share an example of how your work affected a company and its trajectory?
Yeah, absolutely. There's a large global manufacturing company that we worked with about 5 years ago, and I'm using them because today, still to this day, they're using everything that they learned from us and have expanded it fivefold in the organization, which is like really cool. And so they called us in because they were finding when managers were being promoted into their first managerial job from being a technician, that they were drowning. They said it was like a fire drill, it's too much information, I can't figure out how to do this job, and so they wanted to take a new approach. So we designed training and reinforcement with coaching process, and also did some work with the managers of the managers about how they would support and encourage them. So it was 2 half-day training sessions and then some community of practice discussions, some activities for them to go and implement in their new managerial role. We did a baseline study on using their employee engagement scores and a self-evaluation. How confident do I feel in using this set of skills? All those skills were anchored into the leadership competencies of the organization. So we're using the culture that's there as a foundation to springboard to doing something different. The data 6 months later blew us all away. They had a 40% increase in positivity, a 50% increase in risk-taking to talk to my boss about things that are not working, a 93% increase in occurrence of my boss talking to me about my career development and coaching me to be successful, right? Huge part of the skill set change. And as I said, now 5 years later, a 4-fold increase. What started as a manager training has led to internal coach practitioners who are embedded into the work groups all throughout the organization. And it's growing like wildfire. So we're just couldn't be more excited.
Congratulations.
Thank you.